on how many things those months are reliant to maintain their style. Her personality, her essence. I often think back to those days at home, lying in the garden, listening to the cars go by, feeling the breeze and the warmth of the sun. They always give me a sense of stability, of letting go. I don't even think. I simply let the sensations fool me. Listening to the rustling leaves on the trees and the chirping of the birds. My mom is laughing. She's talking to grandma. I love this. I love feeling that no one can move me from this spot. I love feeling the companionship of my bed, who come close to me because he knows me. Soon, I go fetch a blanket to spread beneath me, so I can sleep without the ants crawling all over me. Everyone is inside the house. There my mom is strolling through the garden. I can hear only her voice, and that has always brought me a sense of peace. Soon, she'll come over to talk to me. Perhaps I'll already be asleep by then, and she might come to wake me up. She doesn't like it when I get sunburned. When I was little, my skin was so sensitive. I think that was the very first insecurity I've ever had.